everybody, Artistic Flea here, back with a drawing tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw this adorable kitty with a beanie. Let's begin! Okay, so starting out with the drawing, I'm just going to start out by drawing the head, and these are my guidelines, and I'm just trying to figure out what I'm going to do exactly, because I know I want to draw a cat, but I don't know what kind of cat I want to draw exactly. So I'm just going to start out by drawing in my guidelines, adding in the paws, the front and back paws, adding in the eyes. It's looking great. Okay, so I'm just getting my inking pen and adding in the eyes. Now I want to make sure the eyes are even out and look the same pretty much. The little eyebrows. And I like giving the cats like little bushy eyebrows. I don't know, it looks cute on them. Now I want to add in the eye with the little highlight. And now I'm just gonna finish this eye off. Add in the nose. A little happy mouth. And I decided, I'm not gonna add in the ears up top. I'm just gonna add in a little beanie. I think this will look pretty cute on the cat. And then the ears will come down here. The little cat is looking pretty cool. So by this point, I'm just gonna add a bit more details onto the beanie. Adding in whiskers, and I'm gonna do something here that's called cross hatching. It's where you follow on with straight lines in one direction and then you cross it with another set of straight lines, forming almost like an X shape. So the more cross hatching you add, it'll make the hat look like it's like tighter knit, like a knitted hat but like tight. So drawing in the little paws and the bed. For the bed, I think I'm actually going with the design that I drew up for Reese's bed over my comic in Webtoons. You guys can check it out. I'll add it in the description. And yeah, it's gonna be different though. But it's like the same classic green bed that I drew for him. I also have a cat over there too. So maybe my little kitty cat here is thinking about fish. So let me draw a little fishy here. He's thinking about it. So I just cleaned up the drawing because the eraser tends to move the camera a lot, and yeah, don't want to give you guys the headache here. So I'm just finishing up some areas that I missed out on the first time, and then I'm just gonna color in with all the colors. I think for the fish I'm going in with like bluish colors and maybe a gray color. Okay, since the bubble right here is looking kind of flat, I'm just gonna add a little bit more detail by coloring in with a bit of gray here, just so it doesn't look so flat on the paper. So the color scheme that I'm going for the little kitty cat is red, orange, light orange, green, some dark green, some pink, different colors in that range. You guys do not have to choose the same colors that I'm choosing. These were the ones that I thought would look best with the little kitty cat. You guys can even draw the cat in a different pose and whatnot. is just to give you guys an idea on how to draw the little kitty cat. If you want to draw a beanie too. So you guys can go with any color that you want. It's your time to show your flair here, and I'm just going to keep on coloring. Thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, or if you learned something, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Lets me know you like content like this or you learned something. In the comment section, let me know if you made your own little kitty cat. And if you guys have like a certain animal that you would like to see, or it doesn't even have to be an animal, if you guys have like something that you want to learn drawing wise here, I'll try to figure out how to do it, or if I already know how to do it, I'll make a tutorial and help you guys out in any way that I can here. If you haven't already, consider subscribing down to the channel, and you will get notified on any upcoming videos. And it's important that you guys hit all notifications if you want to receive everything. If you hit personalize, you only get a few of the notifications. As always, stay creative. Bye!